How to fix login issues on Lyft. Can't log into Lyft? Here's how to fix it and get back to riding fast. Start by checking that you are using the correct email or phone number linked to your Lyft account. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the reset instructions. Still not working? Try closing and reopening the app, clearing the cache, or updating it from the App Store or Play Store. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection while logging in. Avoid using VPNs or custom keyboards. They sometimes interfere with Lyft login screen. Have you had login trouble before? Tell us what worked for you in the comments below. And that's how you can fix login issues on Lyft. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.